To set up the remote on OPPO Reno 15, first of all we can open the app drawer and then search for the IR remote app. So let's go over here. Now you should be able to use this plus button in the bottom right corner. You can use a QR code scanner in case your appliance or device has it, the QR code of course, or if it can generate it. And on the other hand, if you want to manually add a device and set up something, you can use whatever we have available in here. So let's say I'm gonna choose TV. Now we need to choose the brand of our device. We have some popular options in here. You can also scroll through this list or use the search field at the top. So let's say I'm gonna choose Samsung as an example. Now we need to point or aim the upper side of the phone, the top side, at our device because we have the IR blaster over here at the top. And then tap on Got It. And now we need to answer these questions that will appear over here. Is the TV on? In my case, yes, it is. Then we need to point your phone at the device and we need to tap on the button and see if it made any change. And that is, of course, well, in this case, it should be volume up. So if that happened, then of course, tap on yes. But on the other hand, if it didn't, then we can select no response, try next, and we can keep going until we actually get the result, the desired result. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.